Hello and welcome back to Connor's Crypto Trading. In this video, we're going to be talking about Casper, short-term upside targets and short-term downside targets, as well as long-term upside targets. Well, not a lot has changed since the last video. We did go down a bit lower. As I said, we could come down and retest this low at 2.5 cents. It did that and broke and almost broke the bear market low, which was at 222 cents. Yep, 222. And we went down to 228. And so far we have had a small bounce of around 4% from that low. About 5%. And now we are currently sitting at 2.4 cents, hitting on the 786. Which is at dang it. The 786 is at 2.3 cents. And we're just sitting above it. And your next target to the upside would be to get to the 618, and from where we're at, that's roughly almost 30% back up to the 618, which is at 3 cents. Above that is the 0.5. That's roughly 46.5%. And then above that is the 382. Oh, and the 0.5 is at 3.5 cents. And the 382 is at 4 cents. Whoops. And that is roughly 65%. And then back up to the 236 is at 4.8 cents, around 5 cents, and that's 85%. Now your short or your highest short-term targets are 7 cents. So from where we're at to 7 cents is roughly 200%. 10 cents, the 236, is roughly 350%. And your highest short-term target is 13 cents. That's at the 0.5, and that's almost 550%. Now your long-term upside targets are $1 to as high as $4 to $5. Well, and I should say your targets to the downside would be to break that low of 2.28 cents and potentially go into bearish price discovery and make a fresh low on this chart. It may happen, it might not. That's why it's best to be dollar cost averaging every 10 to 15% it dumps. Now, if Bitcoin continues to dump, it did have a bit of a dump. It was at 70,000. Let's go over to Bitcoin for a little bit. We are experiencing a bit of a dump, and Bitcoin should come back down to around 63,000. It's in the middle of a little downtrend right now, and that would either keep Casper at where it's at, or it may lead to Casper dumping even more. So be careful with how much you're buying at one time. Otherwise, your long-term, from where we're at, down to 2 cents flat is roughly 13.5%. And yeah, that's a decent correction. $1 to as high as $5. Whoops, keep doing this. Go to the weekly chart for you. $1 is roughly a 30x, if I remember correctly. It's actually a 40x now. At 3 cents, it was a 30x or 35x. The lower it goes, the more opportunity you have. $2 is roughly an 82x, 80x. $3 is 121x. $4 is about 161x, and $5 is roughly a 202x. I wouldn't expect those targets until at least the spring of 2025 to the end of 2025. And we may see around 20 to 40 cents this fall, to as high as $1 to $2 in the spring of 2025. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your night or day.